How to use Flex Seal draft tape to keep those icy cold drafts out, your heat in, and your energy bills low. Flex Seal draft tape is super easy to use. Pair of scissors, measuring tape, and a feel for where those nasty drafts sneak in is pretty much all you'll need. Oh, and it always helps to read the directions. It's great for indoor and outdoor use. It stops wind, rain, dirt, and dust dead in its tracks. Oh, and did we mention its wider coverage is excellent for sealing wider gaps? Okay, let's start with doors. Flex draft tape instantly blocks out cold air, but still lets you open your doors. First, identify the drafty doors that need sealing. Ones that lead outdoors or to the basement are usually good candidates. Not all are alike. Some open outward, while some open inward. Now, pick a door. Any door. Make sure the surfaces you're working with are dry, clean, and free of grease, oil, and dirt. Once clean, measure and cut the lengths of tape you'll need to seal your door. Now do a dry fit to get the proper placement of the flap. Position the flap to overlap any seams causing a draft. Now look at your draft tape. One side is a peel-off adhesive backing, while the other is a flexible flap. Remove the backing from your Flex Seal draft tape and press firmly as you attach it in place. Just peel, stick, and seal. Moving on. When applying vertically, you may have to cut the draft tape into smaller pieces to work around hinges. Also, threshold designs vary. The flexible flap should gently sweep the floor when the door is open and closed. As a rule of thumb, if your door opens inward, your adhesive should stick to the door. If it opens outward, the adhesive should stick to the door frame. In some cases, you may need to apply your draft tape to the exterior of your door. Voila! Your door is good to go till spring. That's when Flex Seal draft tape can be removed easily and cleanly without leaving a sticky, gooey mess. Remember, like doors, windows open and close differently, but the concept is the same. Here's how it works on a modern sliding window. Again, measure first, cut, and don't forget to dry fit. Then just peel, stick, and seal. Not only will you be amazed by how much warmer it feels, but how easily it peels off. Here's some pro tips. If you live in a place where tackling winter isn't at the top of your to-do list, remember, Flex Seal draft tape doesn't just keep the cold air out, it keeps precious AC-cooled air locked in for year-round comfort. It's fully weatherproof, so it's great for sealing outdoor basement doors. It's also 100% waterproof, so it keeps water inside your shower door and off your bathroom floor. Storage. When you're finished draft-proofing your home, store your Flex Seal draft tape in a cool, dry place. And that's how you use Flex Seal draft tape.